Time now for this week, and let's do auto history here, shall we? While they change places, because Rochelle's going to come back.
Sure.
Okay, today on auto history.
In 1862, Opel was founded.
Well, that was right after I was born.
Adam Opel, the business, used to manufacture sewing machines in a cow shed. The business remained there until 1888 when bicycles became part of their production catalog. After Adam's passing in 1895, his sons took over the business and started a car business. In 1905, a new land speed record was set. British daredevil Arthur MacDonald piloted a Napier six-cylinder racing car to a speed of 104 miles an hour. It was an 848 cubic inch six-cylinder that only put out 90 horsepower.
What are the pistons that big around?
Coffee can pistons.
Talk about what a thumper. In 1948, it witnessed the inaugural annual automotive equipment display and hot rod exhibition at the National Guard Armory in Exposition Park in Los Angeles.
We got a Plymouth on the screen.
And that event was what kind of started the car shows, the hot rod car show scene worldwide. And then in 1950, Preston Tucker was found not guilty. There was much speculation that the Big Three, along with Michigan Senator Homer Ferguson, were the ones who connived to put Preston Tucker out of business. In 1957, the 10 millionth Plymouth was built. When the Great Depression began, Plymouth was Chrysler Corporation's entry-level car brand. And by 1931, the budget cars ranked number 3 in overall U.S. sales. I never realized Plymouth got to number 3. Its success remained steadfast for decades, but never quite hit the number 2 sales spot, and they are long gone now. And then in 1978, the last German-built VW Beetle was produced. The people's car, Volkswagen Type 1, commonly referred to as the Beetle, started rolling off the assembly line at the end of World War II, and the small car would eventually become the best-selling vehicle of all time, surpassing the Model T in total volume. But the fun wouldn't last forever. It was in 1978 that the last VW Type 1 rolled off the German assembly line. Production would continue outside of Germany until 2003, and that was in Pueblo, Mexico. And they ended up building 21.5 million Volkswagen Beetles over the life of the vehicle.
Okay.
Cool.
Thank you, sir.